Our 28th annual Tai Chi workshop is ready for a fresh beginning.
We've got a great new venue as well. It's in Brighton Le Sands, just south of Sydney.
Join Paul Lamb with his colleagues from around the world.
And you've got great instructors who will guide you every step of the way.
Among them, Hong Yang. She's one of the most popular instructors in our USA annual workshop. We also want to welcome Mark and Trevor, who will share their expertise and passion.
In this interactive and friendly environment,
You will have the most incredible experience and energy,
learn practical skills for self-development.
and then you can share that knowledge with family and friends.
And don't miss our exciting Thursday night banquet, a highlight for renewing friendships and making new ones.
We can't wait to welcome you in this new chapter. Join us.
And discover the joys of Tai Chi.